Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the thread size and pitch so the repair matches the original. This prevents mismatched inserts and cross-threading. Once done, you clean the hole thoroughly and remove debris. Remove oil and old adhesive so the tap cuts cleanly. Now position the tap squarely, apply cutting lube, and hand start it. Keep steady pressure and back off every half turn to clear chips, because consistent chip removal protects the new insert seat and ensures accurate threads. Once the tapped hole is clean, you thread the insert onto the installation tool and align its tang with the driver slot. Alignment ensures the insert feeds straight. Then slowly screw the insert down until it reaches the specified depth. Make sure to stop when the top is flush so the fastener seats correctly. If the system requires a tang break, seat the tool and snap the tang with a punch. Afterward, inspect the insert for even seating and correct orientation before fitting the bolt. You finish by installing the bolt and torquing to the specified value so the joint holds reliably. Using a calibrated wrench prevents overtensioning. If the bolt binds or feels rough, stop immediately and remove the fastener. Then extract the insert and retap or chase the hole. This fixes debris or misalignment. Make sure to keep spare inserts and the correct taps on hand for quick rework, because having the right parts minimizes downtime and prevents repeated damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.